In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Facebook "we couldn't confirm your identity" problem. If you're trying to log into your Facebook account and you keep seeing this message, don't worry. In many cases, this is a temporary verification issue, and there are a few important things you can do to improve your chances of getting back into your account successfully. First, open Facebook and try logging into the affected account. If Facebook shows the message, "we couldn't confirm your identity," follow the recovery or verification option displayed on the screen. It's important to use the prompts Facebook gives you because those are tied directly to your account recovery path. Next, use Facebook's official Find Your Account Recovery process. Enter the account details requested, such as your email address, phone number, or other identifying information, so Facebook can locate the correct account. Make sure the details you enter match what's associated with the account as closely as possible. Another helpful tip is to use a familiar device. Try completing the verification from a phone, tablet, or computer that you've previously used to log in to Facebook. Also, avoid switching between multiple devices or changing locations repeatedly during the process, since that can sometimes trigger additional security checks. You should also check your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection before trying again. If your connection is weak or cutting in and out, reconnect first and then restart the verification attempt. If you're using the Facebook app, make sure it's fully updated. Open your App Store, search for Facebook, and install any available update. An outdated app can sometimes cause login or verification issues. If the app still isn't working, try using a browser instead. Open Facebook in Chrome, Safari, or another supported browser, log in there, and repeat the verification process. Sometimes the browser version works better than the app for account recovery. If you're already using a browser, clear Facebook-related cookies and cached files, then close the browser, reopen it, and try again. This can remove old session data that may be interfering with the verification process. If Facebook asks you to submit an ID or other information, make sure everything you provide is clear, accurate, and matches your account details. Only upload documents through Facebook's official verification flow for security. If you've already made many verification attempts, stop for a while and try again later. Repeated submissions can sometimes slow things down or make recovery harder. Finally, check for any update from Facebook about your verification status. If you see an appeal, request review, or similar option, use that official option to continue the process. That's how to fix the Facebook "we couldn't confirm your identity" problem.